How to hide notification content on lock screen on Samsung Galaxy. In today's video, I'll show you guys how you can easily do that. So let's just jump right in. So what I'm going to do now is show you guys the notification content from my lock screen. So let me just lock my phone real quick and then open it back again. So as you can see here, I can clearly see all of my notification contents from my lock screen. So if you want to turn this one off, what you can do is first open up your phone and then go to your settings menu. Now go ahead and scroll down until you find your notification settings. Just tap on it, then find lock screen notifications. As you can see here, I have selected this to show content. And if you want to hide content, then you can just tap on this option. Now all of the contents will be hidden on your notification. So if I just go back and then lock my phone and then go to my lock screen, as you can see, I'm not able to see any contents from this. Even if I tap on it, it will ask me to enter my PIN. And only after I unlock, I'll be able to see the contents. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you basically hide your content on lock screen on your Android. I hope this was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.